Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available that automatically assign tasks to the user when tasks move on one stage to another in project, but using this our app you can do easily. See here our module Dev Task Auto Assign User. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects. Go to home construction, create new like a project for buildings and add. See here this automatic user assignment. Now add stages like a new for assign to Michelle and second one is in progress for assign John Williams and save. Now create task. Create new like a task for work and select here same project like a home construction and add. Now go to this and see here default when here new stage, then automatically assign Michelle. Now I want to change in progress, so John Williams is assigned. Thank you.